हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो दोस्तों? आज हम फिर निकल पड़े हैं लोनावला की तरफ। आज हम जाएंगे लोनावला। लोनावला में आज अपना एक छोटा सा इवेंट है, एक छोटा ग्रुप है अपना कॉरपोरेट, जिनका हमें चेक इन कराना है और उनका शाम को इवेंट भी होने वाला है। तो चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं लोनावला की एक 5 स्टार प्रॉपर्टी। और ये देखिए एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी है लेफ़्ट साइड में। हम हैं अभी फ़िलहाल मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेसवे पर। और ये एक्सप्रेसवे अगर आप मॉनसून में या मॉनसून के बाद कवर कर रहे हैं तो ये जन्नत से कम नहीं है। बिल्कुल सही कह रहा हूँ। आप खुद देखिए कितनी ग्रीनरी है, कितना सुहाना मौसम है। और ये आ रहा है शानदार भाटन टनल, जिसके अंदर अब हम घुसने वाले हैं। और एक फैंटास्टिक एक्सपीरियंस है ये मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेस हाईवे, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग मॉनसून्स। We have entered Fariyas resort. The entry looks good. Slightly on a hilltop. Okay, they have ample parking space. Even a coach can reach the reception easily. वहीं पे लेना पड़ेगा, वहाँ से। हेलो हेलो। So the lobby is really huge and very attractive. And this is a restaurant or a coffee shop where they have their morning breakfast, buffet lunches, dinners. I'll tell you the name of this restaurant or maybe the name of the restaurant will be flashing on the screen. And for those who don't know, Fariyas also has temperature controlled swimming pool. That's here. And they also have a water park inside the hotel. Yes, Fariyas has a water park, in-house water park. No, we haven't.
This is the small venue to start with.
Okay.
This is about 55-60 people you can accommodate in cluster in this venue.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the first venue we have.
All right. Hello.
Lobby. Straight. Yeah, straight. One of the biggest indoor venues we have.
Okay.
This can take about 250 people in theater seating and about 110 in cluster.
110 in cluster. Okay.
And this comes with the terrace area.
All right.
अभी use में नहीं है, so
Mm-hmm.
inventory होगा.
Okay.
This is the pre-function area what we have.
Mm-hmm. So now we are on which floor?
Basement.
Basement. Okay.
Not exactly basement. The property is on a slope. So
Okay. Okay.
yeah, we were on the first floor of this particular building.
Uh-huh. This also is another banquet.
Yeah. So has a capacity of 150 feet with a ceiling height of 14 feet.
Okay. And how much in cluster?
Cluster can 85.
100, 85. Okay. They also have an outdoor.
Yeah, we'll go there.
Okay.
The waterfront area, you have
Okay.
a waterfall here.
Oh,
So
here is also a lot of space here for any outdoor activities, team building or something. Yeah.
this is the lawn area.
Okay.
It's 18,000 square feet.
Correct.
Lawn. You can do a seating arrangement of about 450 people in this lawn.
Okay.
Floating can be 800 to 1,000.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So like I mentioned earlier, there is a water park for in-house guests. And the timings are 10 to 6. Okay. Hold him up, Vikram. It's a huge space. You will have the reference contacts for these people, karaoke people, and you have it.
It has to be from in-house, from our contacts only. You can get it from outside.
Yes. Morning breakfast and buffet lunch, dinner.
Lunch and dinner for bigger countries, more than 50 will have a separate setup.
Correct.
The venue.
Otherwise, it is clubbed with the normal dinners. What is the name of this coffee shop? Cafe?
Fitchley.
Fritchley.
Fitchley Hill. This is place is Fitchley Hill.
Okay. Based on that.
Approximately 280 to 285 square feet.
Okay.
So by default, all the rooms will have
Balcony.
and bathtub.
Okay. So no differentiation of smoking and non-smoking rooms required.
The entire hotel is non-smoke.
Okay.
You can smoke it outside.
Yeah, in the balcony, right? Yeah.
Not in
Because in my side, this is a big headache. This is beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful
Yes.
room.
Valley.
Valley room. Water slides. Come. So, is there a different? Okay.
Base category. This is classic premium.
This is classic premium. Okay.
This water feature. This is the room.
Wow. Ooh.
Yeah, you found room.
Living room.
There
Yes.
are two washrooms. One is full-fledged washroom. One is powder washroom.
Powder washroom.
There are two balconies.
Such a big room, na Rajvi? Don't touch. How many total suite rooms we have?
10.
10 suite rooms. Oh, it's quite a big set. This is the highest category?
This is the
Noko Rajvi, noko. Hath noko lau.
Yeah.
So total three category rooms.
Yeah.
Facing that side are the deluxe ones.
Classic premiums. Facing this side, classic premium
हाँ,
and
that's
suites.
हाँ,
That's deluxe.
Deluxe, correct.
So close to 72, 73 rooms we have which are facing that side. And
Okay.
Remaining.
दिस साइड। दोस्तों ये होटल आपको कैसा लगा नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं और अब इसी तरह से अगर होटल और ट्रैवल रिलेटेड वीडियोस आप देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर आप कोई हॉलिडे पैकेज बुक करना चाहते हैं तो इस ऊपर दिए गए नंबर पर हमें कॉल करें। बाय बाय।